Hello everyone, this is Professor Govind. Let's understand today the concept of extranets. Extranet is a superset of intranet. In our previous video, we understood what intranet is. Intranet is a service using which people can share information within organization. And extranet is the extended part of it, which means using extranet we can share information even outside the organization. Extranet is an extension of an intranet that makes the latter accessible to outside companies or individuals with or without an intranet facility. It is often defined as a private network that uses internet technology like intranet uses. Extranet, let me repeat, uses internet technology and public telecommunication system to share information or operations over a secured system with suppliers, vendors, partners, customers or any authorized users. Now understand the minute difference between extranet and internet. Internet provides information to everyone who is connected to internet, which means if any data, any information is available on internet, it is accessible to anyone who uses internet. And what extranet is, data again is available on a global network, but only authorized users can access that data. Not everyone, but only the intended users whom the owner of data wants to access information can access the information, but not everyone. What are the advantages of, or where else can we use extranet? Where exactly can we use extranet? Extranet can be used in various services like supply chain management, where businesses can share information with their partners, be it a supplier or a manufacturer, etc. Information can only be shared with those users. It can be used in customer communication. It can be used in customer service, order status inquiry, etc. Where information using internet technology, again the same cables, the same lines or the same technology, using the internet technology, data can be shared, and data can be shared only with those people who are authorized to access that data. So extranet, any data available on extranet is not accessible to anyone and everyone over the network, but is accessible only to the authorized users who are authorized to use that set of data or information. Extranet is a superset of intranet. It extends the intranet from one location to another across internet. It provides secure data flow outside an intranet using cryptography and authorized procedures or authorization procedures. This is what is the important concept of extranet. Owner of the data can share data using cryptography. Cryptography is a technique of hiding your data from unauthorized access or securing your data from unauthorized access, and also using authorization processes, which means receiver will have to provide his identity like username and the password in order to access data. It establishes more reliable communication system and business activity. Of course, as you can share data easily and in a secured manner, it is more reliable compared to other communication systems. So this is about extranet. Thank you everyone for your patient listening. Thank you so much.